How to make your own DIY homemade cold sore spray. If you struggle with cold sores, then you know just how dreadful they can be. Those tiny tingling volcanoes erupt on your lip just when you need a confidence boost the most. It can be tempting to squeeze them, cover them up, or spend big bucks on products that promise to cure them. What are cold sores? Cold sores, also known as fever blisters and canker sores, as they often appear when you're already sick, are caused by the herpes simplex virus, HSV. Unfortunately, there is no cure for herpes simplex, so once you get it, you have it for life. Here are a few herbs that can help fight cold sores. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, has been used for anxiety and digestive issues, but its antiviral punch is what makes it a worthy opponent for HSV. Lemon balm is easy to find in health food stores. It is often sold as tea or simply in bulk as dry leaves. Drinking a concoction of lemon balm leaves, either fresh or dried, or a lemon balm extract curbs the spread of the virus and alleviates the symptoms. Tea tree essential oil, Melaleuca alternifolia, is a skincare favorite and a valuable weapon in your arsenal against fever blisters. This powerful oil, distilled from the leaves of the Australian tea tree, is chock full of antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties. Studies suggest tea tree oil can help shorten the lifespan of cold sores, and its antibacterial properties can help prevent them from festering and getting worse. You can add it to other ingredients in recipes or mix it with a carrier oil, such as olive oil, to prevent a bad skin reaction. Apple cider vinegar, with the mother, is a tangy elixir made from fermented apples, which is packed with probiotics and beneficial bacteria. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is used in a wide variety of natural remedies, as well as tasty salad dressings and other foods. Here is a simple DIY homemade cold sore spray you can make in your kitchen. Now let's combine these herbs into a potent potion. This DIY spray brings together the soothing power of lemon balm tea, the antiviral magic of tea tree oil, and the acidic bite of ACV to create a natural cold sore remedy. You will need a cup water, 4 cup dried lemon balm leaves, 10 drops tea tree essential oil, 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar with the mother, small spray bottles, or any glass container. Here is what you will need to do next. Brew lemon balm tea by combining water and dried lemon balm leaves in a small pot. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Let it cool completely. Strain the cooled tea into a mixing bowl. Add the tea tree oil and apple cider vinegar and mix well. Pour the mixture into your small spray bottles. If you don't have spray bottles, you can use a small glass jar. When and how to use your homemade concoction. As soon as you feel that tingle of a cold sore coming on, spray or dab the affected area several times a day. You can repeat this until the cold sores start to go away. Store your spray in the refrigerator for up to a week. Using this spray regularly at the first sign of a cold sore can help shorten its lifespan and soothe the discomfort. Remember, consistency is key. Make sure to apply the mixture several times a day to let the antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties of the herbs do their job. And don't forget the power of prevention. A strong immune system is your best defense against any invader, viral or otherwise. So prioritize sleep, eat plenty of fruits and veggies, manage stress, and get some sunshine. Together, with the help of this herbal spray, you can say goodbye to cold sores and hello to healthier lips. Okay, well that's all I have for you today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Thank you for watching and God bless.